Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So today's recipe is how to make South Indian style rasam. So the ingredients which you need are tamarind, garlic smashed, coriander, curry leaves, use the stems also, black pepper, turmeric, jeera and salt. Sliced tomatoes, spicy red chilies, oil. So now I've taken the smasher where I have put jeera, curry leaves and garlic and black pepper. Now I'm going to add tomatoes to that, which I will use my hand and smash it well. So now I have taken an empty pan. I'll take some oil. Now I will add red chilies. So you can do this recipe when you are making non-veg at home, which is very easy, digestive recipe. So now I will put down all the smashed ingredients which you have smashed by hand. So let them cook well. Now I will use that tamarind juice. I'll add some salt and turmeric. So this recipe is going to be very healthy and you can make it in 10 to 15 minutes of time. So I will add water here. So the more water you add, you will have to check even the salt taste. So now I will add coriander, leave it to boil well so that all the smashed ingredients will leave the taste behind. So now the recipe is ready. So you saw right how easy is this. Please try this recipe at home. Leave the comment below about the taste and thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe.